Welcome to the nSolver video tutorial series. This video covers software installation on a Mac computer. We'll first cover creating an account on the NanoString webpage if you haven't already. We'll then cover downloading and installing nSolver 4.0, then R version 3.3.2, and finally Advanced Analysis 2.0. We'll also cover migrating data from your nSolver 3.0 database. Go to the NanoString webpage and log in. If you do not yet have an account, click the Register button and follow the instructions to create an account. If you already have an account, enter your username and password and click the Login button. Once you're logged in, navigate to nanostring.com/products/analysis-software/nSolver. This takes us to the nSolver software page, which is where we'll start. Scrolling down, you'll see a number of different options. Review the system requirements to ensure that your operating system has the required components to run the software. We won't go into detail on these other options now, but be aware that they are here. Right now, we'll click on Getting Started so that we can download and install the software. There are 3 different versions of nSolver to choose from, depending on your operating system. For the purposes of this example, we'll choose nSolver for Mac. It may take a few moments for it to download. Now we're ready to install the nSolver software. Navigate to where the file saved. On Macs, this may be in the Download folder of your Home folder. The zip file should already be extracted. If not, Command-click and select Open. We'll install the software with the provided prompts, noting where the file will be saved. We'll now navigate to the location where the application was saved and double-click on the nSolver icon. Scroll, read, and accept the user agreement. A pop-up window will appear asking if you would like to migrate any data from nSolver 3.0. This is the only time you'll have the option to do this. If you do not have a previous version of nSolver, select Do Not Migrate Database. If you decide to, select Migrate Data from nSolver 3.0. Confirm the path that it suggests or browse to the location of your nSolver 3 database, and select Next. You may choose to build all migrated experiments, or you may address each study individually. Note that migrating experiments transfers all levels of data except for the analyses, and building experiments transfers all data including the analyses. As a side note, migrating a multi-RLF merge experiment will require that the parent experiments, which comprise that multi-RLF merge, be migrated and built as well. Once you've made your selection, select Migrate, and the data will migrate. A pop-up will appear reminding us that we need to rebuild any migrated experiments upon reopening nSolver 4.0, and we'll do that now. We can open nSolver to see our migrated experiments. Any experiment without a file hierarchy can be selected, and we can click the Rebuild button to restore the files underneath it. Now we can go back to the NanoString website to download Advanced Analysis. You'll see 2 buttons on the right, nSolver Software and Advanced Analysis. Select the Advanced Analysis button and go to the Getting Started tab. Before installing Advanced Analysis, we will need to install R version 3.3.2. This is required to run Advanced Analysis. Click on the link to download and follow the prompts to install the program using the default settings. If you use Mac operating system 10.10 or higher, you will also need to install Xquartz. Click on the link to download Xquartz and follow the prompts to install the program using default settings. We can now install nSolver Advanced Analysis 2.0. Click on the link to begin the download. This may take a few moments. This file should save as a zipped file. You do not want to extract the Advanced Analysis zip file. Some Mac web browsers will automatically extract zipped files after download. If necessary, turn off this automatic extraction feature, or recompress the file into a zip after it's been downloaded and automatically extracted. Once it has been saved to our computer, we can return to nSolver 4.0. From the Analysis menu at the top of the home screen, select Advanced Analysis Manager. In the Advanced Analysis Manager window, click Import New Advanced Analysis. Browse to the directory where the nCounter Advanced Analysis zip file is saved, select the file, and select OK. Wait for the import to complete and the name to populate automatically. Click OK to exit the Advanced Analysis Manager. If you have multiple versions of R installed, you may want to make sure that Advanced Analysis knows to use version 3.3.2. To do this, select Analysis from the top toolbar and select Change R Home Path. This displays the location of your R Framework folder. If you have multiple versions of R installed, you can use an R Switch app to designate 3.3.2 as the version you want to use, or simply uninstall all other versions of R. This concludes the nSolver video tutorial software installation on a Mac computer. You can always contact NanoString support and check out our other video training curriculum online. Thank you.